We bought Panache just about a year ago now. I believe it was December of 2011. And we've integrated their video platform into our Open Ad Stream technology, which is our de facto digital technology platform that we've run for many years now, which gives advertisers and publishers the ability to run campaigns across platform. And generally 24/7, as I believe much of the industry believes, is that cross-platform monetization is going to be increasingly more important over time. Therefore, it was important for us to make a major investment in the video space so that we can enable proprietary products for advertisers and publishers on our platform. By extension, this year, our partnership with, or extending our partnership with JumpTap, because we've been partners with JumpTap for many years, is the addition of that two-screen play between video and display with extending into mobile. So our partnership with JumpTap enables us to give advertisers the ability to make a single buy and target users across devices as opposed to duplicating efforts between mobile and display as they do today, and ensure that they only reach users the amount of times that they want to, even if they're on different devices. We really have sort of a twofold type of approach in how we approach the market. One is that we have, as I said, proprietary video assets now with the acquisition of Panache. And really, that gives advertisers the ability to reach their audience in a unique and interesting way that's different from sort of standard video. The ability to do companion ads, overlays, really interesting click to social type of videos, Pinterest, et cetera, all of these new technologies that are starting to integrate into one another and fold that into video assets, which really gives additional value to the advertiser on and beyond just plain video, which is why we think it's very specialized in the marketplace. And similarly, things like proprietary inventory with partnerships that we have with BBN also gives us an additional point of differentiation versus the marketplace. So those types of offerings is what we bring as additional value, because now in a market that everybody's talking about RTB and automation, sometimes we think about commoditization of media, and what's really driving the premium, the value in the marketplace, is these interesting and unique offerings that you can bring to the marketplace as a company that runs a media business. Our work with BBN, which is a very, very large business-to-business grouping of websites and mini network, if you will, is bringing together what traditionally has been a very, very difficult audience to reach, because there's small groupings of individuals and all of these disparate B2B sites, bringing them all together to create large audiences from small audiences, which is really the benefit of a single point of buying. So you don't have to buy from 12 different smaller B2B publishers. You can do a single buy across many B2B publishers to get your audience reached. And that's been a very, very successful partnership for us over the years. And for BBN, we continue on that path with them into 2013. We've made these major investments in cross-platform opportunities. We believe that cross-platform is both the now and the future. And what I mean by that is that there are things that we can do now cross-platform that are very interesting and beneficial to advertisers, but I can only imagine 12, 24, 36 months from now, the additional analytics, reporting. I mean, we're in a step function business where it feels like every 6 to 12 months, something major happens to provide much more value to advertisers and publishers, and I still see that trend going. We're moving very rigorously in that direction. Every day that we wake up and come into the office, that's where we're driving toward. And our acquisition of Panache and our partnership with JumpTap is what is helping us drive forward. And it's not just cross-platform, it's cross-platform at scale, which is, I think, going to be much harder than just the cross-platform part. Because cross-platform is difficult in and of itself, but it's possible in small pockets. It's the ability to take major data sets across many different platforms and make sense of them in a single platform to be able to drive results, frequency capping, analytics across audiences of all these platforms. And that's, I think, going to be the key. And I think very, very few companies are in a position to do that well and at scale in time.